linking words for speaking and useful words, phrases to write a great essay. In this lesson, we will find out how to use linking words in speaking to improve your fluency and coherence. Linking words can be used to link the flow of ideas in your writing, guide the reader, examiner, towards the next stage of your argument, express different views in your speaking task. For speaking, you need some simple linking words to help examiner follow your ideas. These linking words will help you to express your ideas and use them in different situations. You can use some useful words and phrases below to write a great essay to get a high score on your exam. So take a look and start to learn all of them. Stating your opinion. Giving examples. Comparing. Contrasting. Generalizing. Expressing certainty. Expressing partial agreement. Showing cause. Showing effect. Concluding.